In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a video using images with AI. And this is the result of this tutorial.
My skin has never looked this glowy. This vitamin C serum brightens in days. Link in my profile.
So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI because this is the platform that we're going to use. Actually, the link of this site is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, we need to create an account. After you create the account, we will arrive here. And here we need to go to the image section. Now we have to go to settings. And here we're going to choose the model GPT Image 2. Now here in quality, I'm going to choose the medium quality because in my personal opinion, it's very similar to the high quality, but it's much cheaper. And that way we can create 3 images. Now we have to click in reference. And in my case, I want to create an UGC image. The image is going to be like these ones. So now I'm going to paste the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. So you can copy the prompt or modify it as you want. And now I'm going to click this button. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Now we have the images. So to create the video, we have to click here where it says use as a start frame. And now we have to go to settings. And here in model, we're going to use Clink 3.0. Now here where it says describe your video, I'm going to paste the following prompt. This is a prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And as I said, in the other prompt, you can modify it as you want. So now we have to click here and now in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
My skin has never looked this glowy. This vitamin C serum brightens in days. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. It looks really realistic. The quality is really good. The lip sync was really good. So now you know how to make a video from an image. And I want to tell you that in Novoads, we have an offer that you can try Novoads AI for just $1. And with that, you will receive 10 credits. For example, this video, as you can see, was made with Clink 3.0 and cost 5 credits. So you could do 2 videos like this one. So I recommend you to try this platform, do videos, and then if you don't like it, you can just cancel anytime. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.